Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Internet Options. You will find Internet Options under the best match. Click on that. Now, once the internet properties will be up, so here you have to click on the connections tab. Here you will find the local area network LAN settings. Click on LAN settings. Now here, make sure automatically detect settings this is enabled. Use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure this is unchecked or disabled. Click on OK and click on OK again. Right click at the start button and select run. Now here in this run window, simply type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your Ethernet. So if this is your Ethernet, all you have to do is make a right click and then select properties. Now here in the Ethernet properties, simply click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. And here you will find the option use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is one of the greatest DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, we should type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and close this windows. For the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now on the right pane, the most important thing is you should run it as administrator so that the commands will work. In here, we need to simply type this command. So just simply follow me. netsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space /release. Hit enter. Last command, ipconfig space /renew. Hit enter. Then type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the final method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for network and internet. Here you will find advanced network settings. Click on network reset, click on the reset now button, and click on yes. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.